Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another unboxing from I Love Dooney. This was something that I bought about a week and a half ago, and I saw it pop up randomly. I've never seen this bag before, ever. They had it in the Zip satchel, as you guys may know, and the Continental clutch, but not in this. And I'm hoping it's going to be in good shape, because as we know from Dooney Attic 615, that whenever she would buy this bag, it had issues. So I don't know, because I've had coated cotton before and I would not be able to get the lumps out of it. So I'm hoping for the best. So I've already opened the box, as you can see. So let's dig in. Can't wait. Okay. Gosh, I'm hoping for the best for this. Okay, that. Alright, here she is. This is the Dooney & Bourke Small Leisure Shopper in the Hearts print. Like I said, I've never seen this before, and I check the I Love Dooney site all the time, so I know. So, let's open it up, shall we? Oh my gosh. This is hard to open. Oh. This is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Okay. I think I figured out the focusing on this. Okay. It's a little better, yeah. Oh, this is so nice. Okay. So this is the Small Leisure Shopper in the Hearts print. I don't think it's a return. I mean, it could be, because look, there's only this in there. Ugh. Well, anyways, so the front looks okay. I mean, it's a little bit, dented, but it's not as bad as I thought. However, the back is definitely... Oh, and I forgot to hold this up. Here you go. This says Small Leisure Shopper in brown tomorrow, but it is called the Hearts, and I did not pay $2.28. I paid like way less. Okay, so I'm trying to see, you guys, I don't think it can be stuffed, because look at the back. Okay, that's pretty bad. That's like the worst. Well, I really like this though, that's the problem. I mean, here's the good part for me. You only see the front of it. Like even when I look in the mirror, or, if you're walking by when you're carrying your bag, usually they'll see the front. Like I said, I've had, my Dooney & Bourke Greta Novelty Zip satchel. It got kind of like this, a little wrinkly in certain parts, and I would stuff it and it would look fine for a while, but then after you keep carrying it, kind of goes back. Nevertheless, you guys, I will try to really stuff this. I wonder if I could do the steam option on this, like what I did with my Dooney & Bourke Dylan drawstrings. Like, you stuff it and then you get the white cloth and then you use a steamer on it. I don't know, because this is PVC. This is made out of PVC and coated cotton, and that's a type of plastic, the PVC, so that actually might ruin it. I could do a test spot and let you guys know. But this is gorgeous. Okay, so inside you have a zip and slip pocket in there. The other side you just have this two more slip pockets, key fob. And then the zip, this is really cute. I just zipped it up. So this is all continuous zip, and then the zipper actually extends out more. So if you want it bigger or out more. I think I'm going to keep it, you guys. Like I said, this is gorgeous. Got the brown tomorrow on the side, but I'm going to stuff it and possibly steam part of it, and I'll let you guys know how this goes. So, yep, there she is. I think I might keep her. So, thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.